What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video with few facts. Today we talk about the world's smallest and mostly underwater continent, making it a fascinating geological wonder. In the vast expanse of the southwest Pacific Ocean lies a geological marvel that has only recently claimed its rightful place in the annals of Earth's continents. Zealandia, often described as the world's eighth continent, Zealandia is a largely submerged landmass that challenges conventional notions of what a continent should be. Spanning approximately 4.9 million square kilometers, it is roughly the size of the Indian subcontinent, yet about 94% of it lies hidden beneath the ocean surface. Anchored by the islands of New Zealand and New Caledonia, Zealandia is a testament to the dynamic forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. This article delves into the discovery, geology, biodiversity, cultural significance, and ongoing scientific exploration of this enigmatic continent. The story of Zealandia's recognition as a continent is a triumph of modern science. While New Zealand and its surrounding islands have long been studied, the idea that they were part of a much larger, cohesive landmass only gained traction in the late 20th century. In 1995, American geophysicist Bruce Luyendijk coined the term Zealandia to describe the region, proposing that it might be more than a collection of islands and submerged ridges. However, it wasn't until 2017 that a team of scientists, led by New Zealand geologist Nick Mortimer, published a seminal paper in the journal GSA Today, formally arguing that Zealandia met the criteria to be classified as a continent. What makes a continent? Traditionally, continents are defined by their large size, distinct geological composition, and elevation above the ocean floor. Zealandia ticks these boxes in its own unique way. It is significantly larger than a microcontinent, with a diverse crust that includes continental rocks like granite and schist, distinct from the basalt-dominated oceanic crust. While most of it lies 1 to 2 kilometers underwater, its crust is elevated relative to the surrounding ocean floor, and its geological continuity is unmistakable. The 2017 paper synthesized decades of data, bathymetric maps, seismic profiles, and rock samples to make a compelling case that Zealandia is not just a fragment, but a coherent continent in its own right. Zealandia's story begins over 100 million years ago, when it was part of the supercontinent Gondwana, which also included modern-day Australia, Antarctica, South America, Africa, and India. Around 83 to 79 million years ago, tectonic forces began to pull Gondwana apart, and Zealandia started to rift away from what is now Australia and Antarctica. This process stretched and thinned its crust, causing much of the continent to sink beneath the waves. Unlike typical continents, with thick crusts averaging 30 to 40 kilometers, Zealandia's crust ranges from 10 to 30 kilometers thick, a result of its prolonged stretching. Geologically, Zealandia is a mosaic. Its northern regions, including New Caledonia, feature ancient rocks dating back over 500 million years, while the southern parts, like New Zealand's South Island, showcase dramatic mountain ranges formed by tectonic collisions. The continent encompasses a variety of features: sedimentary basins, volcanic arcs, and underwater plateaus like the Lord Howe Rise and the Challenger Plateau. These structures hint at a turbulent history of rifting, volcanism, and subsidence. For example, the Hikurangi Plateau, a thickened oceanic crust segment, collided with Zealandia around 40 million years ago, adding to its complexity. Though much of Zealandia is submerged, its exposed portions, primarily New Zealand and New Caledonia, are biodiversity hotspots. Isolated from other land masses for millions of years, Zealandia's ecosystems evolved in splendid isolation, giving rise to species found nowhere else on Earth. New Zealand, in particular, is a showcase of this evolutionary quirk. Before human arrival, it had no native land mammals except bats, allowing birds, reptiles, and insects to dominate. Iconic species include the kiwi, a flightless bird and national symbol of New Zealand, the tuatara, a reptile whose lineage dates back to the age of dinosaurs, and the glowworm, which illuminates caves with bioluminescent light. New Zealand's forests are home to ancient trees like the kauri and podocarps, while its coasts teem with marine life, including seals, penguins, and dolphins. New Caledonia, meanwhile, boasts one of the world's highest rates of plant endemism, with over 75% of its plant species unique to the region, including the striking ambarella, considered a, quote, living fossil among flowering plants. For the public, Zealandia captures the imagination. It's a reminder that our planet still holds secrets, waiting to be uncovered. Educational initiatives, like New Zealand's Zealandia Revealed campaign, aim to share this story with students and enthusiasts, fostering a sense of wonder about the world beneath the waves. Zealandia is more than a geological curiosity. It's a window into Earth's past, a cradle of unique life, and a challenge to our understanding of what makes a continent. From its ancient origins in Gondwana to its modern recognition as the eighth continent, Zealandia embodies the restless, ever-changing nature of our planet. Its submerged landscapes, vibrant ecosystems, and cultural richness invite us to explore, protect, and celebrate a world that lies just out of sight. As science continues to peel back the layers of this hidden continent, Zealandia stands as a symbol of discovery, reminding us that even in the 21st century, Earth has stories yet to tell. That's all for today. Keep watching and subscribe. Few facts.